Okay, now we'll move to the lesson number 2. Right. Okay, there is a table. This how the student gets their marks for the subject mathematics. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students are there, and they got marks like this. Saman 85, Amal 92, Kamal 78, Anil 55, like this. So first, we want to copy and paste this table. If you want to do some calculation or some modification to this table, first we have to copy and paste this table. So how to copy and paste this table? Just you have to select this, then go to this home tab, there click copy and go to the different sheet. I will go to sheet number 3 and click on a cell and then Control V. Press Control key plus V key. So it had copied. So you can change the column size by dragging from here and make the column size accordingly. And you can center these things. If you want, you can center the marks. You can select this thing and go to Home tab, click center. Right. Name also you can left align. If you want to left align, you can click here, then it will automatically left align. If you want to center, you can click here. If you want to right align, you can click here. So it is better to keep it left align. Then if you want to make this center, you have to click here. Right. Then if you want, right. Okay. So we copy and paste the table. Then it is asking to cut and paste the table 2. Copy and paste the table 1. Then cut and paste the table 2. Table 2 mean what we had copied. So now it's asking to cut and paste. When we are copy and paste, the original table is there. So if you want to, now you have to rename this table as table number 2. Now it is asking to cut and paste this table in a different place. So I'll select this table, then go to Home tab, then click cut. And then I will create a new sheet and here I'll going to paste. Click on any cell and then press Ctrl plus V key. So this is how cut and paste. Now in the original place, the table is not there anymore because I use the cut and copy feature, cut and paste feature. So in the original place, now that table is not there anymore. Then what is asking to do? Format the table as follows. Now it is asking to format the table to practice the formatting in the Excel. So now they are asking to format the table 1 as follows. So we have to copy this table and copy and we will paste it in here. Control V, paste. Right. Now how to format? Format the table as follows. Heading, bold, center, font size 14, font Arial. So we have to make the heading. Table 1. Right? We have to it's asking to do heading, bold, center, font size 40. Bold. Here you can using these things, you can bold. Then center. And make the font size to 40. And font type Arial. So this is how we did it. Then names, what you have to do, italics, green color. Names, you have to change the names into green and italic. You can select all the names at once and you can change the color, font color to green, and you can make the fonts into italic. Right. Then they are asking to do marks, center, fonts times New Roman. Center and font to times New Roman. Now you have to change this to center and font to times New Roman. TIME. When you are typing little bit, it will automatically appear the font times New Roman, then click enter. Now this is how we had did the formatting. Right? Okay. If you want to make the font size little bit bigger, you can increase the font size from here, or else you can use this one also. See, automatically it will increase the font size. If you want to make this smaller, then you can use this one, as well as from here you can give the font size, smaller font size. Right. Right. Then if you want to change the direction of these fonts inside the cell, you can use this one. See? Can you see? Also, if you want to merge these two cells, because this is not very nice, so if you want to merge these two cells, you can select and you can click here, merge and center. Right? Okay. I'll type here maths marks of the students like this. If you want to wrap this text into a single cell, then you have to click here and click wrap text. So it will adjust to a single cell. Wrap text. So you can use all these options. Again, what are the options there? We use all this. If you want to underline this one, you can underline. Right. Like this, you can do the formattings to a table or the fonts or the given data series as you want by using these tools. Then apply the same formatting to table 2. Then they are asking to apply the same formatting to table 2. Now our table 2 is here. So they are asking to apply these formattings to table 2. So it is difficult. Right. So to do the same formatting to the table number 2, similar formatting, what we can do is we can start from the beginning and we can format everything from the beginning by looking at this instructions. Or else there is an easy way to do this. There is a tool called Format Paint. So you can use this thing. This is a very nice tool you can use in Excel. So how to do this? Here you can see table, it's format like this. So you can click here, click on the Format Paint and go to this one and click here. See, automatically it has changed to that format. Very easily you can format. Then here name, format painter, go to sorry, name, format painter, go to the sheet number 4, click here. Automatically change the format. Then maths marks, format painter, sheet number 4, right? The formatting will apply. Then the names, italic green color, select one, click format painter, then go to sheet number 4 and the table number 2 and select all the cells what you need to convert into the similar format, and it has changed. Then this one, select format painter and go to table number 4 and select, and automatically it has changed. So this is how we can change, or we can apply the same formattings to another data set. Very easily in Excel you can do by using the format painter tool. Then what it asking to do, create the one table as follows by merging the table 1 and 2, name it as table 3. So now you have to create another table, English marks. Right? So this is the table number 2, and you have to create another table for English marks. I copy this table and paste it here. Control V. Now I will change this heading to table number 3 and maths to English. Very easily you can do. You can delete this thing and you can enter these marks. English 65, 95, 70. 65, 95, 70. 60, 80, 85. 60, 80, 85. 60, 80, 85. 60, 80, 85. Then 55, 73, 70. 55, 73, 70. Then last one, 98. Now what they are asking to do, create a one table as follows by merging the table 1 and 2 and name it as table 3. So they are asking to create a new table, and it should have to be corrected as name as table 4. Right, so how to do this? So we can copy and paste this one. The first table. Here, Control B. Then we can rename this as table number 4. Then we can insert English marks here. Right. Then we can easily copy and paste these marks here. Control B. Right. Now they are asking to prepare a table like this. So table 4, we have to merge these 3 columns. Right click, or else you can select this and you can click here, or else you can right click here and format cells. Then under alignment you can see merge cells, right? Table 4. Then names of the student, you should have changed this, names of the student, and you have to wrap this. Right click, format cell, wrap the text. If you want, you can make it a little bit bigger, and okay, and you have to center it. Then Maths English. Here just they are asking to put the name of the subject in these 2 cells. Maths English. And you have to center these 2 things. And you have to put marks by merging these 2 columns, but you have to insert one more row here. Right click, insert, and you can shift this one to here, and here you can type marks, but you have to merge these 2 cells. Format cells, merge cells, okay, then click marks. You can center it also. Then what you have to do is grade 6 student marks. You have to put like this here. What you have to do is you have to merge all these cells. Format cells, merge. Then text direction you can change. From here also you can change. Here also you can change. Right to left or left to right. You want to type left to right, and the degree you can change to here 90. That means fully vertically you are going to type. Click OK. Now what you have to type, grade 6 student marks. Grade 6 student marks. See, then now you want to center it, and you want to center here also. Can you see? Then you have to bold these things. See, you can select everything together and you can click bold, right? You have to merge this one also. Format, then merge, click OK, right, table 4. Right, now what you have to do is you have to color this one. Fill colors. You can use fill colors, green. Then here again, what you have to do, you have to put borders around the table. I'm selecting, I'll insert one more column to show here. Right now I want to put a board. I'm select this one and click here and put a board. Now what you have to do, you have to draw some lines in red color like this. Select this one, go to border, right border, and again select, go to this one, top border, and it's in black color. You have to change the color. Click here, drop down arrow, and line color. You can make it to red. Right. And again, this line also in red. Go to border, line color, red. Here, you have to put double line in red color. This one, select these two cells, go to borders, and this one, bottom double border in red color, because you had selected the red color earlier. So now you format, or you prepared this table very similar to the given table. Now you can rename this table as table number 4. Then it is asking create another column called total and add the maths and English marks together and name this table as table 5. It should have to be 5. Right. So this is the table number 4. They are asking to add one more column. So you can copy, can insert new sheet, and you can copy this table, Control C, and you can paste here, Control V. Now you have to enter another column. So you have to click on the column and click, right click there and click insert. It will automatically insert one more column. Now you can shift all these things to left hand side. And to this column, you have to put total. And now you have to delete this border because it is here. So I am selecting here and go to border and click no border. So now there is no border. And you can bold this one. You can add these two things. So very easily you can give a formula, press equal sign, then click this cell plus this cell, click enter. Now you can drag this like this, then automatically it will calculate the total marks for all students, and you can center this one, and again you can put few borders here. Here you have to put a border, right border. You have to change the color. Right. Or else you can select the whole table again and put the border. Here also you can insert borders, and now you had calculated these total marks. Then right, table 5. Copy and paste the table 4 without the formulas. Now you want to copy and paste this table without formulas. If you are copy and paste this table just by pressing Ctrl plus V, it will copy and paste the formulas as well. So to copy and paste this table without formulas, what you have to do is you can select this one, go to here and click copy, and click here, go to paste, click that drop down arrow, click paste special. So paste all formulas, values, formats, comments, validation. Now I just want to paste values only without formulas. Click OK. So these formats not pasted. Without formatting, it has pasted only the values. Now if I change this one 75, this will not change the total marks, but here if I change this to 75, it will automatically change the total column also, because here formula is there to calculate the total marks. But now we had paste this without formula, so no formulas here, that's why it's not automatically edited, right? So then it is asking copy and paste the table 4 with all its formulas. Now they are asking to copy and paste this table with all these formats and formulas and everything. So select this one, click copy, and click here, go to paste, paste special, then all, and then click OK. Everything had pasted here. Then it's asking copy and paste the table 4 by transposing. If you want, you can transpose, you can change the direction of the table. So what you have to do is, this is the table, this is the table. I am selecting this one and click copy, and click here and click paste special. Here I'll put transpose, click on the transpose and click OK. See, now the table, the side has get changed. Other way around. For an example, think these student marks you want to transpose, and now this is in vertical side. You want to have these marks in horizontally. Then you have to click these two columns. Click copy. Then go here and go to paste special, transpose. Click OK. See, you can at once you can change the site. Then copy and paste the tables 4 with source formatting. That means you can copy and table this table with all its formatting. So just what you have to do, select this table, copy, then you can use Control C. Sorry, Control V to paste. First we have to select this thing, then click copy, then click here and Control V. It will paste with all its source formatting. Right. Finally, I will show another one example. think you have these marks. I copy it here. Right. I will put this here. And now in between these student marks, there is an empty column, empty row. But I want not to have this empty row after I pasting all these marks. So what to do? Just select all these marks with student names and go to copy and then click where you want and then go to paste special, and then here you can tick on the skip blanks, then click OK. Okay, we'll see what happened. Wait. Okay, we'll see how this skip blank option, how to use the skip blank option. For an example, these are few products. Product A, B, C, D, C, then D, E, F, G, H. There are E, F, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 8 products. These are the prices. This is 50. This is 75. This is 45. This is 80. This is 90. This is 75. This is 45. Again, this is 95. Then this is the price of month of January. Price January. Right? Then in the month of the February, these price get updated. So it has only given the prices of the product that has changed. So price, updated price February. Right. So these are the price of January for these products. And here, these are the updated price. It has given only the updated prices only. So the product A, it is similar 50. So it has not given. So 75, it has updated to 85. Then C, similar. D, similar. E, it has updated to 92. And then G, similar. This has updated to 100. Right? So to make this clear, I will mark these. I'll change the font color of these things into red. Right? Right. Now I want to get the updated column. Then if this is a big list, what I have to do, I have to check the updated price and I have to type here and I have to change this thing. 75, I have to type it as 85. 90, we have to type it as 92. If this is a big column for 1,000 products, then it is very difficult task. But you can do it easily by using the previous option. So what you have to do is just you have to select this full set of prices or the full set of columns, very similar to the other column. And we'll see, we are copy this and I am pasting it here. What was happened? All the previous cells, that had the prices also get deleted. So it's not working here by copy and paste. So what we can do, I'll undo. Then just I want to change these numbers only, 75 to 85, 90 to 92, and 95 to 100 by keeping the other prices as it is. So what I can do is, now I can use that option. I am selecting this one and go to copy and click copy. Now I am not just pasting here. I am go to paste, paste special, and here tick. I'll put a tick to skip blanks. Then click OK. To select here, go to paste, paste special, put a tick to skip blank and click OK. So what has happened? All the previous prices are there, but the updated prices only get updated. Now you can send it. I think you understood what I had did. So try it in yourself and try to do this thing. Okay.